In this tutorial, you'll learn how to create the home page with the PageFly Page Builder app. Currently, we are using Debut as the default Shopify theme. Now, let's build our new home page with the PageFly app. Please navigate to the PageFly Home or the Page List dashboard. Then, click on the plus icon. You'll see the new window has opened. Find the Home Page button and click on it. You'll see a new web browser tab is opened with a modal window showcasing the template collection. Let's pick one of the fashion home pages. As a result, you'll have the imported homepage within a few seconds. Now, name your new homepage and then click on the Save and Publish button. By doing that, you're automatically publishing and replacing the current homepage. Let's click on the Preview button and then choose the Live Page option. Now, your store has a great-looking and design-focused homepage. It'll look good on both mobile and desktop devices. Moving forward, let's have a look at an example of a page that has been built with the PageFly app. We want to make it the home page. Let's navigate to the Page List dashboard. In the Actions column, click on the settings icon of the page that you want to make the home page. You'll see the modal window has opened, so just select the Home Page option. After selecting the home page, just keep in mind that your Shopify store can have only one unique home page. If you set the home page made by the PageFly app earlier, the old home page will be replaced with a new one. You'll notice this right after selecting the Home Page option. Our page will have the home page type. In some cases, you might want to restore the old home page. Let's try that now. Please navigate to the Page List app dashboard and find the new home page. Now, click on the settings icon of our page. You'll see the modal window with the selected option Home Page. Let's click on it and choose the Regular Page option, and then click the Save button. Okay, we can see that our home page now has the page type Regular Page. To make sure that our old home page is restored, let's click on the eyes icon near the Online Store menu item. As you can see, the old home page has been restored. That's all for now, and thanks for watching! For any questions, feel free to drop us a message by email or through our chat system.